Alright, so we got the XRT out with the new Sledgehammer tires as well as the spring upgrades. You can already tell just, you know, from drop test that these springs are definitely a lot stiffer. Definitely resist bottoming out. Hoping that it doesn't lead to some bouncing, but let's check these tires out. Okay, so right off the bat, the Gravix and this dirt that we have back here, it's a pretty hard pack, loose on the top. With the Gravix, it didn't want to ever really pick up the front end. And as you could see, I mean, with these Sledgehammers on there, it definitely grips and wheelies. It holds the wheelie too. Definitely can see some more ballooning. Go ahead and hit a quick little ramp jump here. So still get some chassis slap with those springs, but honestly they're designed to do that, so not going to worry about it. Definitely just seem to have traction for days with these tires though. Go ahead and rip another quick little wheelie. Yeah.
I wanna